Introduce Kenzie and Richard. They are going to introduce you all with their party members. Yes. So let's welcome Kenzie and Richard and his team.
Please, all of Access member come up to the stage.
I can do it for you now. Your hands are empty.
Sure.
Yeah.
If you want, if you want. I'm okay for you.
Yeah. Sounds like Nexus. To take my meeting. Unreal.
Zoom it out a little bit.
I can't. See?
Okay, good morning, teachers and friends. So today, first of all, let me introduce our members, Access. So my name is Kenzie Budiman from GC1. I am
I
the president
can't
of
do the whole
Google.
screen, you have to do it.
My name
You have to do it. I can't do the whole stage.
And I'm the vice president.
I'm Sylvester from Secondary 2 and I'm the public relation officer.
My name is Ariel. I'm from Sec 1A. I am running for the treasurer.
My name is Vanessa Jai Around. I'm currently secondary 1B, and my role as the media designer. And my role as a media designer is to create and manage digital content and presentation. I'm Evelyn from Sec 1A, and I'm the Sec 1A class representative.
I'm Glenn from Sec 1B, and I'm going to be the class representative for one of the class representative for Sec 2 next year.
I am Steve and I will be on secondary 2 and secondary 3.
My name is Sean Rose. I'm from secondary 3. I will be the representative for secondary 4.
I'm Christian and I'm going to be the class representative for secondary 1 next year.
And we have other two members from GC1 representative and GC2 representative, Benedict and Alexis, but unfortunately, they are not here yet. Okay, thank you. Let's start our presentation. So, why our name party is Access? Because we think it.
Members can go and please sit down and then let the president speak about the presentation. Thank you very much.
I'm Steve. Hi.
Okay, let's start from our name party. Why our name party is Access? Because we take it from Access and Nexus, where Access is the center of point. The meaning is leadership, and Nexus where we connect the people. So basically, we make it as Access stands as the axis of leadership and the nexus of unity, where the vision meets connection. And also we have slogan, one vision, one future.
Just finish it. Yeah.